Here's exactly how to make viral podcast clips in 2025 with AI. And just to prove to you that this video is meant for every single skill level, I personally won't be editing the clips. My girlfriend will. So I am going to be walking her through the entire process, just like I'm walking you guys through the entire process as well. But anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and get straight into today's video. All right, so the first thing you guys want to go ahead and do is go down in the link description and go to submagic.co. I am affiliated with these guys, but these guys' product is actually really, really good. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go to the Magic Clips feature, just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and find our podcast or whatever clip you want to do.
I'm doing it again.
Yep. And then you literally just copy and paste the YouTube video link, or if you have your own podcast that you filmed, you just go ahead and upload it just like that. All right, and then you guys are gonna see the Get Viral Clips button. You just wanna go ahead and click that. It's gonna go ahead and start automatically clipping up the podcast for you. So literally it says ETA 24 minutes. In that free time, you can go ahead and get some other work done inside of your business, or you can go ahead, run some errands like we did earlier when we were actually filming the first time around. Okay, so now that we got the thing sort of done, it says ETA 1 minute, but there's some clips already ready to go. We're just gonna go ahead and click onto the video, hit the edit button, and then from there you're just gonna go ahead and find a clip. So just go ahead, find a different clip that you like, just a random one. Yeah, we could do like a
15-second one.
Yeah, just do the 15-second one. There you go.
Love it.
And just go ahead and hit the click button. Now it's gonna bring you to this sort of preset style captions, and you can just pick whichever one that you like. So we're just gonna go ahead, click that, maybe check this one out, or just whichever one.
Your generation that.
No, I still like this one.
Yeah, fire. Let's go ahead and show them how to actually trim. So you go to the trim feature, and then it's gonna bring up the text, and then you just go ahead on this side, the selection. You can add text on the left side, or you can remove text on the right side. And the way you do that, you just hover over the text that you want to delete, and you just hit the X button. So just like that, she deleted it, which is fine. This is just for the tutorial's sake. Go on the left side and just try to add like a little line before, like maybe just add the let's do a magic trick. Hit add, and then you'll see it'll add the clip in there. So that's pretty handy. So now let's go back to the captions, and then it'll do this sometimes. All you gotta do is go to layout. Yeah. Click that, contain. Oh, there you go. No, you're actually right. Yeah. We personally wouldn't use this clip. We just use like a maybe 2-angle podcast.
Chris chose the wrong podcast.
It's all good. It's all good. But hey, I mean, it did the work for you. There's other ones in here in this batch that like actually worked pretty well.
And I'm still learning.
Yeah. Okay, so from there, we're just gonna go ahead and hit export.
Oh, we're done?
Yeah, I mean, that's all you got to do. Work's done for you. So again, what's really cool is that while this video is exporting, is it literally goes into the podcast and finds the most clippable clips for you. You could set the clip duration to short, long, medium, whatever you want it to be, or auto. It'll go ahead and sort through the entire podcast for you. So again, if you guys have clients, if you run a podcast, or if you have a podcast and you just want quick short form content to post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or your Reels, this is an awesome tool. Again, affiliate link will be down in the description below to go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and just do download video.
I already exported it.
You exported it, but now you got to download it. There you go. And fire. And then go ahead and open it up.
Let's do a little magic trick. So
again, cap's thoroughly done for you.
Yeah.
Super easy.
$100 million.
But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.